In this weekly wrap, I promise you I give you two interesting sectors and a list of stocks in that sectors and interesting stocks in that sectors which can be of value for your trading in the coming week. So please keep listening to this, which can be very useful for your trading in the coming week. Now when I see the S&P 500, we could see that there has been a good move in the last 1 week and it's almost coming to all-time high once again in the S&P 500 index. Now there are two sectors which I found very interesting which are giving strength to this particular overall market index S&P 500. What are they? One is the S&P 500 consumer staples industry. This sector is also, giving leadership to the market. It's almost at all-time high. Now, what are the stocks in this particular sector which are really good, interesting stocks? We have uh, Archer Daniels, we have Conagra, we have Colgate Palmolive, Clorox Company, Costco Wholesale, General Mills, Hershey Foods, Kellogg's, Haynes Company, Kimberly Clark Company, and Coca-Cola Company, Kroger Company. So many stocks are there. Now, interesting stock what I found in this list has been the Coca-Cola stock. Now, if you could see in the Coca-Cola company chart, it's made all-time high. And there is a very good breakout which is around 54.55. This stock seems to be a little stable and comfortable for even conservative traders because the volatility is low. There is a good support at 54.55 and these support should be holding well. Any dip in this particular stock can be an opportunity to buy. Aggressive traders can look at even trading little higher than this so that you can make decent money in the coming week. Now another sector which is giving leadership is the energy sector. We could see that after some sort of correction and sideways activity for past few weeks, we found this energy sector back again in action and at all-time high. Now what are these stocks in this energy sector? Now we could see in this energy sector, let's go to the energy sector. So we have in the energy components Apacorp, Baker, and we have Cabot Oil, ConocoPhillips, Chevron, Devon Energy, all these things. If you could remember, in one of the last few weeks, we found that Duke Energy was doing well. After the results, also the stock has performed very well. Now I find a company in this energy sector which is Phillips 66. It's made all-time high here and it's been consistently making good moves. There is a good support around 89. So any dip towards 89.90 can be an opportunity to buy with couple of percentages of target and make decent money in the coming weeks. Now there's a possibility that the stock can go about 93 to 94 levels in the coming few days or maybe few weeks. Any dip is definitely an opportunity to play. So these are few interesting sectors, stocks, and the overall market index review what I found interesting for us, which can guide us, help us in the coming week. Hope it will also guide you, help you in the coming week to make profitable trades. Happy trading. Thank you.